Let me show you what I got going on. You see what that is? That's an IRC quick shifter with Blip assist. I finally got it because it's annoying to use your clutch.
Can feel my mind breaking down. I'm only happy when you're around. One day I'll find paradise. Married to my past, you may kiss the bride. Can feel my mind breaking down. I'm only happy when you're around. Trying to swim away from my...
You see what that is? That's an IRC quick shifter. I've heard very good things about this. I went ahead and grabbed one of these straight off of MOTO-D Racing. They helped me figure out everything I needed and took care of me. So now, the ultimate question is, what's this gonna do? Like, am I gonna be faster because of this? Am I gonna be smoother because of this? The answer is yes. Yes, that's a lot of wires. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, but Jeff doesn't know how to install a quick shifter. Neither do I. So we're gonna figure it out today. We have the rod, right? Shabam. Shabam, shabam. I'm gonna do stuff and just pretty much plug stuff in until it works. I've reserved all of today to tear my bike apart and try to figure out where like 4 of these plugs go in, but I know one of them goes into like one of the coils. We're on to something. We're on to something. I'm just gonna pretty much, I know you have to take apart the bike. Tank has to come off, airbox has to come off, as well as the side fairing.
Are you done?
Why?
Can I slurp my soup really
You can
loud?
slurp your ramen, yes.
But
yes.
Like, it's like I want to slurp it obnoxiously loud.
Go ahead, slurp.
That's not obnoxious.
Stay out of this.
No, slurp your ramen. Slurp your ramen.
It's hot.
Slurp your ramen. No, you slurp it.
Fucking weak.
Since I was being an inconvenience to what you needed to do.
I'm sorry my slurping skills aren't
slurping bad.
A1. What are you not understanding?
If you hear slurping, it's not my fault. Look at that. Straight out of Italy, baby. This is gonna probably be the only time in my life that I read instructions. I'm gonna get copyrighted! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
It was 5 seconds.
I swear if I get copyrighted off of that, I'm not gonna take it out the video, but if I get copyrighted for My Little Pony...
Listen, if you get copyrighted, take this.
Flex.
Your keys? What the heck? Okay, okay. What we did, side fairing off, and then we moved up to the gas tank. Take your seat off. You're gonna need that off. Don't spill gas all over. I'm not saying I did, but if you see it's a little moist down there.
Wait, do you really spill gas in here?
No.
Yes?
Maybe. But now we are down to here. This is the actual harness, the new harness right here. So you want to take this piece of, right, where's the flash? Right there. Take that out. Plug that into here, which you can see right here. This is the OEM. And that's a new one. Plug that into there and then replace it with that into the actual OEM, whatever this part is. Oh, yeah, you handed it to me. Yes. Alright, so this piece was right here, right? Yeah. That was there. We have to get to the coil packs, which are right here. So, you gotta take that piece off. The APS, these two, right here, that's what we're doing. We're taking a coil pack out and then we're gonna do a little smash and plug that in and do that and bam. And then we only have one more to go. It took forever, but I found it. Thanks, Bonamici. That plug right there. It comes with a little gray cap, right? It's not plugged into anything. Take that cap off. That's the upshifter connection. Roughly, I want to say, that's under the tank stove. Right there in the middle of the bike.
The last piece to the puzzle. Yep, right there. It's a white cord. Oh, there's a white. Okay. Oh, a white cord that had to get spliced into the middle wire of gear shift indicator on the left hand side of the bike. Usually this connector is black or blue, and you're just gonna splice it into the middle. The 2018 R6. So if you have something similar and you still have stock linkage, either you are going to need to replace right there, or you're going to need to do rear sets. Or you can, get a smaller pitch for this. I wasn't aware of it, and that's on my BF. I probably didn't read the actual thing. I probably needed to buy something, I didn't realize it, but oh well. We're gonna go buy rear sets tomorrow. Full send. It gives me a reason to buy them. I know I needed them. I'm a taller guy, so like my knees were all bunched up, and then I was getting knee pain. I felt like I was 80, and I'm like, why do I feel like I'm 80?
Basically, Cam's 80 years old.
There you go. I just have really good lotion, so my body doesn't. I'm Dominican. I don't age. Oh my gosh. I was running a little bit close to my swing arm axle, so I put 2 spacers in between my rear sets and pushed my rear sets out right there. I pushed them out with 2 spacers. I just took it around the block really quick, and this thing is stupid. Now to put the bike back together, and I will see you guys in a few days. No, they don't explain what I just did. I was repositioning the zip tie I had on it, and shebang. Zoom in on that. Get that juicy stuff. Scott at MOTO-D literally came so clutch. My whole day was about to be shot.
This is your favorite YouTuber? You just farted in my mitt. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. It says TheKilaCam on the back of his hands, bro.
I completely forgot to cut that.
It's no big deal. I'm just cleaning that up. So when you're GP shifting,
Yes.
okay, you are pulling on the sensor. You're pulling it apart.
Yep.
Okay. So for that reason, we have to be in setting E on the CE. Okay, so we have it correct because E is for pulling.
Set it to E for GP shift and then C for standard shift.
Correct.
We're good to go?
Yeah. We have to ride it to understand about sensitivity.
So is there adjustability and sensitivity through there?
Both the up and the down.
Oh, okay.
You also have adjustability in the cut time. How long do you want it to cut on the upshift? Do you want a slower cut or a fast cut?
As in,
Depends on how you ride.
how like the sensitivity of my foot touching it?
No. How long is it going to retard the ignition for?
Okay.
How long is it cutting power?
Okay.
Typically, if you're a track rider, you want a faster cut. You want less cut. Quickly.
Don't I want, yeah,
Bring
fast
the
and
power
smooth?
right back. Street, give me a second. I'm not racing. I need a little more time to get into the gear.
Let's see what this auto blip does. Gotta take it easy first. I want to get a feel for all this. Lowered the sensitivity from 16 to 11 on the actual Quickshifter. You know, it's a little bit more sensitive, and I'm digging it, dude. My braking's completely different. Not only do I have new pads, so I can brake way later. I don't really have to worry about downshifting anymore. Just bang, bang, bang. So I'll see you on the track.